Hey y'all, I got this Polaris Ranger 6-wheeler, and what we got going here is the brake screwed up on me. He got some moisture in and it all corroded up and everything, and I should have done my research first of all, because I was going to give this guy a shout out right here in Sweethome. The guy has an ATV repair shop, but he also works on a welding shop right next door. Folks, I'll put a shop number and everything in the descriptions for anybody that's in the Sweethome area that needs some ATV work done. Great guy, knows his stuff. This thing here, you can't buy parts for it anymore. It's the master cylinder, a brake cylinder on here, and he reconstructed it and had some spare parts left over from this and that. Was able to get it going for me. So now I'm going to install it. No, I ain't going to show you how to install it or nothing, because you know what? I ain't got the room to hold a camera down there, and I ain't got a camera crew to record it for me. Not enough room for 2 people in here. Anyway, I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like without the slave cylinder. Show you with it in there here in a bit. Yeah, there it is put together. Let's take it for a little joyride. One thing I want to try doing is coming up this hill. I just got a new belt for it. It was slipping the other day, but I think it was because the brakes were locked up, and I just want to see how bad I hurt the belt. I did buy a new belt, and I'm going to keep it in here for when I need it. But in the meantime, if I can keep this belt on here a little longer, I will. Fine with the belt. Don't seem to be slipping at all. So the next thing is go get the air compressor and air up the tire and get it ready to go out tomorrow morning on. What? You want to get down? Are you home, girl? Did you make it home? Yeah, you made it home. You give Grandpa that ball. Yeah. You give Grandpa that ball. Oh, yeah, you give Grandpa that ball. You give Grandpa that ball. Oh, yeah. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. There it is. Go get it. Get that ball. You bring Grandpa that ball. Give Grandpa that ball. Bring Grandpa that ball. Yes, you bring Grandpa that ball. You give Grandpa that ball. Give Grandpa that ball. Yeah, you give Grandpa that ball. Oh, yes, you give Grandpa that ball. Oh, yes, you give Grandpa that ball. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you give... Get that ball. You get that ball. You get that ball. Give Grandpa that ball. Oh, yes, you give Grandpa that ball. Oh, yes, you give Grandpa that ball. Oh, oh, give Grandpa that ball. Are you tired? Did you get tired?